It is giving African queen. It is giving Nubian queen, okay?
She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on the subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch, and do not skip ads, okay? Do not skip ads. On today's video, I am literally just showing you how I styled my hair. It is giving African queen. It is giving Nubian queen, okay? So yeah, let's get right into our video. Do sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's get right into it.
Trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory.
Starry night, angel lights, the stars alight. When you came into my life, hands in hands, heart to heart, lips on lips, loving kiss. We are one underneath the moonlight, underneath the moonlight. feels so divine, so divine. I won't forget this feeling. We're in no element, just you and me underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight. Underneath the moonlight.
Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. Oh, a trance of glory. If I look around the mess someone made, I would only recognize your face. Wishing you had stayed, wishing you were here with me. If I hold that night with my bloody hands, would you tell me to stop myself? Kissing your forehead, falling for the words you said. 3 a.m. seems like a bad time to feel writing letters for someone that can't see that I'm hiding everything that I need, fearing that one day you will disappear. I would keep you like a safe place if I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, you and me.
And loves, this is how our hairstyle looks. This is how I styled my braids, and it's giving. It's giving African queen, okay? Like, look at that, guys. If you have watched my video up until this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your love, your support, your encouragement. I am thankful, I'm grateful, and I love you a lot. I truly appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. And guys, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is lsemise123. I'll link it on the screen somewhere here. If you've watched until this far, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on that subscribe button. Like and share my video as well, and do not skip ads, okay? Do not skip ads. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye.
If you can't stay, tripping with my feet every time we dance. The whole chemistry between